Sanibonani bodzololo. Moya wami uphukile, angikho right. I was in a call with a doll of mine, a follower. Lothi doll, you are ignoring my story. Ngakusendela story sami before you even went to Makoti Festival, and ngicela ukuthi usikhave le story as a warning to other people. I don't need advice. I am good where I am now. I am perfect. But nginako lokwekuthi ngiyadinga ukuthi story sami singanarratewa nguwe cause ngithanza ngendlela onarrate ngakhona ditori. A doll of mine. I've known this lady for the longest time of my life, but asikho close. So she's been following this series yabo doll. Wangifonela directly after ngimnike inamba yami ka-TikTok. Dolly lona une best friend yakhe. Lakabe I best friend naye from grade 1. Bala eMpumalanga eNaspoti in one of the classes around. So she's been friends with this girl from grade 1 baqedze matric bonke. Mabaqedza matric bonke bangaphasi kahle matric. Mabangaphasi kahle matric basebenzise ma skills abo. Lodo lwami longifonele, she was good with nails, and then the other one was also good with nails but also with hair. Bavule isalon egarage ngalamakasana barente, babe busy ba blow up ba move kuphi eNaspoti. You meet other people that are as good as you and you learn new skills. So the best friend wa bese wa expanda my expertise akhe to makeup. So she ended up being so good in makeup. She's even still good in makeup, and I've once did my face cookie. But doll, stick with me and I need you to sit down. This story is a one-part story. There is no part 2. It can take up to 10 minutes. I need you to sit way down. Doll, stick with me. Bapushe this business. Bapushe a business kuphi lana eNaspoti. In town. They are now in town. They are now in town. Bayatiwa nje ukuthi kunana i-distraction girls. Yabona? Kunana i-distraction girls naba labayithu bangani. Some even thought they were sisters. Some even thought they were sisters or related or cousins or something, and they were just best friends from the same kasi, right? Pushel lo munye akhulise expertise yakhe and makeup, but decided ukuthi ngala ka makeup ngiyadla mina. Ngiyadla la ka makeup, I'm shifting all my nails expertise to my friend. Nginika umngani wami everything. Mina sengifocusa ku makeup. Makeup yakhe iblowe bodol to a point ukuthi amuve labe bacasha khona eNaspoti. Aye kuyocasha tukwenzawo le Nelly Zinga lana eNaspoti enda ini I-makeup. Makeup yakhe iblowe even today. Athi ngakhulumi lebe ngifuna kusho because kutobe sekusela out. Athi thengele musiko shimovana kwakhe. Girl we makeup, best friend wakhe happy over the moon. Nguye tukweti status seyishayisile sekuyogibela imoto yemngani wami. You understand lo wema nails happy aka understand. Ngiphumla, you understand? Happy like my friend this, my friend that type of a thing. Umngani wakhe we makeup athi mngani lo kusasinemoto, we are not going to miss any event. Kune event lesitawu yakuyo like Middleburg. Kune event lesitawu yakuyo Middleburg. Ngiwathengile ama-ticket sitomane nje sifake ipetrol sibangene. Accommodation sengisothile. Friday mabashayisa benda nema-makeup benda nema-nails ma-outfit bawathengile bangena emotweni bathi sobabona yakiva bathi athi siyobabona fike kani Lydenburg why bafike eMiddelburg lowe ma-nails amithe someone wambona bhuti naye wambona bakhuluma ngemehlo yavisisa ichubeke info yabo long distance relationship lowe ma-nails nabhuti wakuphi waseMiddelburg even base Witbank uthi Dolly siyiphushe i-relationship guy ngabe off uye Dennersport guy is in the mining business. He also owns a couple of smaller nyana businesses there and there. Kuphi ngalakbo clarinet lekhona nje ngalepo Witbank. Fine, stick with me and I need you to sit down. The story is long and it does not have a part 2. Bayiphushe into yabo athi bhuti 2021 mine lenza bayimijolo le angeke ngisayikhona sithandwa mina ngifuna kwenda umfati ene ngifuna lokuthi lento ngiyende ngesikhathi se-COVID the first time malobolo bathi bawende ku-Zoom lawo kucedzele labawende December 2021 lekhathi imicimbi bathi ayidluli bantfu labangu 50 people uthi Dolly ngifuna lokuthi unote into letiyi-few ngalo mngani wami lo ever since ngithandzane nalo bhuti she distanced herself from me in the name of wena sowuyajola uhlala ungekho and then she started to have other friends and other lives outside of her noma ngabe angakayi eMiddelburg vele lo mngani wakhe angeke aze aspende i-weekend or anything uthi uze wastopha ngisho i-culture yabo yokuthi bahlala baye esontweni njalo fine athi kumbhodarishe lokho but athi you know what it's fine athi Dolly ngifuna ukuthi u-understand into leyi-one this person did not teach me how to do nails we all acquired the same skills at the very same time. She had just shifted from the industry yama nails to focus on makeup. Now, tell me why angibhalela tinshwanshu ka-WhatsApp after ngende a certain celebrity ma-nails lebekete kuto performer eNaspoti ngashuta naye. She started writing tinshwanshu kwa-WhatsApp on some, you must always give thanks to the people. Oh, you must always give flowers to the people that gave you a green light and stop looking down upon what, jiggy ngabo 3 ekuseni. Marriage will change people. Bantu bayanjinja ini indo uyayithatha engasingilutho you know those type of things so girl I feel ngase vele ungisinderela I feel ngase ngisinderela you understand fine actually the shoes were fitting because vele bekathi akhuluma ngaye yangivamise ukuthi ngigijima kuphi thula stick with me Bodol this story is very long there's no part 2 athi ngelanga lami lokuthi sebayafika beta lokuthi sebayacedzelela she had told me she's going to take care of liroko lami leli lokushintsha ukuthi angisasemswati sengimndebele she said she's gonna take care of makeup she won't do the makeup because yena she will have to check everything is okay so utomcashela a friend that she knows is as good as her nge-makeup ede kutomenda uthi Dolly liroko lami lemshado lafika an hour before umcimbi sekayophela in the name of bengibambeke somewhere i-makeup that she said she's gonna take care of I had to pay for it and ekade ngingakayibhajethelanga and it was 1.2 uthi Dol diningi tindvo lebekathe yena utoditfala ezumngani wami lakagcine angaditfalanga letende mina ngabona ngathi umngani wami akangijabulile. Uthi ekhaya solo bayasho hey asuhambe uyochecka lirogo lakho ukuthi lihamba kuphi. Athi hayi mina umngani wami ngeke angidisappoint. Makafonela umngani ngelirogo asemngani lirogo lakho li-perfect. Nema-snippets nama-video uyawabona. But fittings and collection, it was done by girl. As well as payment. Wafika nalo vele lirogo lihle out of this world. But etithombeni umuncu wente so because she's made that she had to wear the Siswati attire even when the husband had changed to the Ndebele outfit. Because her Ndebele outfit was nowhere to be found, her phone was off. Also, Don, be careful of friends that want your life. Be careful of friends that envies your life. Be careful ngebangani labangafuni ukukubona wena unenvo lehle. Uthi mina emngani wami ngiyamati. Bekuthi mangithengela iteki sometimes ekufanele ngifihle. Because utoba ne-comment lengekho right ngako lokho. Uthi there was a time my husband bought me a Gucci sneaker. Ngangaphost ukuthi yabo lokuthi upost emabhokisi nani. Wabhala wathi Sisthembi wafaka i-emoji yeliteki. Ngiyangiva ukuthi ngithini? Fine. Makaceda kushada amuvele back to where? Back to eMiddelburg endodzeni yakhe. Ahlale eMiddelburg baphushe msinendvodza yakhe. Things are going well. 2022 bona they're in love, they are traveling. Durban anniversary, Cape Town. Eventually, after the anniversary or whatever, the first anniversary in Cape Town, 2022, girl be pregnant. Girl be pregnant, and mvana wokala kubo boy-2. Yadi God plans these things. I feel ngasi vele yadi kuthini impilo yakhe nemndeni wakhe so yakompleteka. Business-wise, things are slow. In Middelburg, nobody knows her. Things have slowed down, so she does not make money the way she used to. Makasaqedzile ke kutfola umntwana, mntwana sekakhula-khulile. Kaya suggest ukuthi let's have a stay home nanny so that I can buy you a space kulenye isalune with bank. Highfield Mall. Lapho ngiyade ukuthi ma-client wathole ma-client. Awuthole ma-client and she was cheap to a point yokuthi bekane line le long walk to freedom. She was making money. $dollar was making over 5K a day. Even on a Wednesday, in a lousy Wednesday, I cannot make anything less than 3K. My things started rolling. My friendship with my best friend, Ena Sporty, is ikhona masikhulumile masingakakhuluma sikakhuluma kusafani. There are things I don't know about her life anymore. There are things she doesn't know about my life anymore. Things are just rocking nje doll. But we're going on siyakhuluma. And then one time kube nemshado 2024. Wemngani wethu leSimatiko soyi-2 September. Ngalana ekhaya. Before umshado, I'm forgetting something very important. Sathane wafika emshadweni wabo in a form of a promotion. Sathane afike emshadweni wabo in a form of a promotion. When she got umvana, uthi there was a point where umvana got sick. Then she couldn't make it to Yosebenda a Highfield Mall. Then now she had to work kuphi endlini. And endlini makasebenda uthi edol. My client didn't really like the space they were, even the traveling. Yabon? So business yehla 60% financially. So indvodza yami ithole ini promotion. Uthi le promotion leya was the ideal breaker. Because that promotion, yes, it was 40-something% more than what he was currently earning at that time. ene le promotion bengala kulenye imayini eBarberton. So he took it, washo wathi wena mama udosala la endlini emsebentini ngathi ungena 4 days in 4 days, I don't know, but kunemalanga la off ngawukuthi uyabuya. When everything started bekwenteka kahle everything. So kufike lesikhathi saSeptember uthi udoda emshadweni. Nakafika emshadweni eMakasana ekhaya kubafonela umngani wakhe. They live the same street. Kuthi sokhona umngani wakhe ifone yakhe off. Bambuta uyaye ekhaya kuba lo muntu lo isolo wahamba Wednesday. And yena ufike ekhaya kubo Friday kuyashadwa kusasa Saturday. Abone ukuthi hayibo asengihambe ngiyosurprise abani Baba Boy. Sengihambe ngiyosurprise Baba Boy, adrive aye kuphi eBarberton. Nakangena eBarberton emarumini. Hayibo imoto yemngani wami sile. Botol. Imoto yemngani wami mosle. Apake imoto yakhe ngemuva kwemoto yemngani wakhe. Anoke ithi indvodza ngibani. Athi before anoka la ngekhathi kunelisondvo. Kushaya tandla la khathi. Bobani ngani labakhonza kula ndlini because bantfu lekufanele bakhonze la ndlini ngimi nalo bhuti lohlala la. Yo! Konde there's a clipping in the house. Let me know. Go. Ngibani? Athole. Anoke. Ngibani? Athole. Avule bhuti makavula abone ukuthi umfati wakhe avale fast. Eve kuwaskiya pass because uvale emnyango aggressively. Aphushe umnyango. Athi emhlabeni wonke jikelele, you will never do this to me. It can't be you. Angeke kube nguwe. I disagree that it can ever be you. Not you. Not you. Athi look, uZidol ngaba defeated nede ngababuda tinvo letitu. And Adol, I want to tell you something very sensitive. Ambodanga say, when did you start having sex with my best friend? Athi mina sithando sami angazi lento yenzeka kanjani. Angazi yenzeka kanjani kodwa nje inesikhashana. Abuke best friend wakhe. Athi did you protect me? Angaphendula. Abuke husband wakhe. Were you using a protection? Indoda ibuke phansi. Athi kumngani wakhe, you planned to kill me all this time. You hate me so much that you had to do this and you orchestrated this. Ngamabom. Usidol, my friend has been on treatment on and off for over 10 years. She's still in denial to a point yokuthi uwanatha makagula ngadiva ngathi so right uyawekela. So she had intended to make me sick. Uthi I did not look back, doll. Ngavele nje ngafile i-divorce. Guy didn't even fight it. Wathengiswa tindlu, wanginika imoto lebekade ngiyisebenzisa vele. And now I live in Lydenburg. I now have a 9 to 5. I'm just saying, doll, cela uxwayise bantfu labashadile ukuthi babe careful ngebangani, babe careful ngema promotion. lakabhadara ngcono lakatobenda ukuthi bahlukane ngekwe-location. Uthi Doll, ngicela ukuthi uxwayise bantfu laba-investor so much love attention to their friends, because lesinye isikhathi bangani babo ngibo labatshala imbewu ye-downfall yabo. I'm good where I am, I'm healthy where I am, I'm still on therapy, I'm raising my boy by myself. Me and my ex-husband are not in good terms even today, and I still cry about a lot of things. I am not dating currently, Doll, because ngiyasaba ukuthi ngiyomcala njani umuntu phasi ngimchazele ukuthi phela mina ngikanjena. This video is 20 minutes already. I think we're gonna do part 1 and 2. I'm broken. I need to sleep.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgozo Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Lona ngiphumla waseMpumalanga, so she was narrating a story la sendelwe sona ngusomeone waseMpumalanga guys, indlela ambetray ngakhona mngani wakhe, umuntu lebeyatshela ukuthi best friend yakhe from basakhula guys, fear friends. After God, fear friends, ave batonibula labangani, oh, like friendships nje will be the end of us, because of I don't add this siyathusa le story guys, sibe buhlungu. I was so emotional nje listening to uphumla khuluma guys, kubhlungu ngendlela lesimanga. You don't even know these days ukuthi uphile nabani, ngibani inyoka, ngibani ongasi inyoka guys. Please beware of friends. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.